Today we're doing our last session of Ruff Ruffman Family Creative Learning. We are taking our popular PBS Kids programs and showing families how they can bring it to life.
Cross the moat, pronounce the goat. We build a contraption to float.
The program opened my eyes up to the importance of being more involved with my own son. And then it gave me ideas to do inside of the classroom. I was able to take one book and use it for writing, use it for discussions, and use it for science.
STEM education is essential to educating our kids these days if they're going to compete.
The world is technology-based. So if they're able to be a part of that technology, then they're able to have a say in how the future is going.
Beautiful. So you use the engineering design process.
I absolutely loved it. You're moving around, you're doing things, you're playing with the kids, you're learning, you're watching videos, you're playing games. It's really cool.
The books were fantastic. The discussions around the books were fantastic.
There was writing, inquiry. The students got to collaborate with their family, with other students, and they organized their thoughts. There was journaling. Everything that I consider essential to good teaching were composed in those lessons.
The hug I got from my son, and I don't want to cry, but it was like amazing because I was able to do it with him the whole entire 4 times, and he just was like, "Mommy, I love you so much."
Family-based learning is essential. All research shows that students with parent involvement do better and succeed.
The family-based learning approach is important to bridge that gap between the community and family and education. I think that bridge will help us as a society to overcome the learning deficits that we have.
What I loved the most was the interaction with all the families, everybody getting together and enjoying that time and working on all the projects. I think that was the best.